What's up guys, my name's Cam, you're watching Story Garage, and today I'm going to show you how to put any Mercedes Benz into service mode for the hood. Today we're going to be working on my first generation 2007 CLS 63 AMG, but again, doesn't matter if you have a performance AMG or a luxury Mercedes, doesn't matter if you have a C-Class or you could have an SUV, the GLS, it will work for every single Mercedes model, doesn't even matter the year. Let's get into it. Alright guys, to begin this video, you just want to open up your beautiful Mercedes Benz on the driver's side, look underneath, and for my car, the lever is red, but whatever your hood release is, go ahead and pull it. Your hood will pop open, obviously. Then go ahead, swing around, open up your hood like you would normally. For me, my latch is right to the right of the Mercedes emblem, and it is right up here. I just push up, and it lifts. And as you can see, when you lift it normally, this is about as high as it goes. This is the standard position, and this is the normal position for just about every other car out there except for Mercedes Benz. Now, to put it into service mode, like I was saying, to put it into service mode, there's a... I don't know what you would call this. What would you call this, George? You can talk out loud. Like a tab. I don't know. Something you push in. And you can see on this side, George, it's a piece of metal. It clips into a hole on this strut. This metal strut. That's what I'm going to call it, right? Do you see it? That's what this thing controls when you push it in the back. Now, what you want to do is you want to bring your hood down just a little bit. Pull it. Okay? Here, actually, George, come look at it on this side. You want to pull it until it swings completely out of the hole. Does that make sense? Yeah. You want to keep pushing your hood down until you're able to completely fit it out, and then push your hood up. Okay? So that's it on one side, and then I'll come around. Hopefully this is a good enough explanation. Now, on this side, same type of lever, same location, that metal strut. You want to push your hood down just a little bit here. Zoom out real quick, George. Go back so they can see. I'm pushing my hood down. Can they see that? Pushing the hood down until this is free. And then once this is free, you can let go of both and raise your hood. And it'll lock in place. Okay? And this is not going anywhere. It's not going to fling back on your windshield. It's not going to do anything. And now your hood is completely open, 90 degrees, vertical. Go to the side real quick, George. Show them from the side what it looks like. Nice, big, open workspace to do whatever kind of job you need to do. And get it out of service mode. Now, this is a step that not many videos I've seen on YouTube show you. It's the complete opposite. You need two people to do it. Let me grab somebody else and then I'll show you guys. Alright guys, now I've got my beautiful assistant George here and my beautiful cameraman Sahih recording. And to get it out of service mode, all you want to do is you want to push the hood down a little bit, squeeze these both at the same time. I couldn't do it one-handed, I couldn't do it by myself. You really do need another person to help you, but squeeze both of these at the same time, right? George, you got it? And then you can just let the hood down, go ahead, let go. Once the hood has started coming down a little bit, you can go ahead, let go, and you just want to keep going until those two levers that are in the struts just snap into place. They'll lock into place, you'll hear it. See that? You hear it? They're locked now. You just want to do this. I do it myself to make sure they're really locked, and that's it. Now it's back into normal mode, and that's how you get out of service mode, and then you can just go ahead, nice and easy, shut it when you're done working. That's all there is to it, guys. Real quick, short, simple little video. Shouldn't take you more than a minute. As always, I hope you guys learned something today, and I hope you guys found this video entertaining. If you did, go ahead, drop a thumbs up down below. It really helps my videos spread. Consider subscribing. And that's it, guys. There's not much more to it. I will see you all next video. See ya.